Closet. Another lovely day to film outside. If it seems a little hazy, we have the woodberry fire going on about maybe 10-15 miles from us. So it's like smoky everywhere. Even if I film in the house, the smoke gets in there. So I apologize if it's a little grainy. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning or you just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I do all sorts of unboxings, lifestyle, jewelry, makeup, clothing, and today is my favorite lifestyle box. It is my Luxury Divas. This is like the third one that I have. I will leave a link and the price below, but this just has everything in there. So you're not overloaded with clothes, you're not overloaded with jewelry, you're not overloaded with makeup, you're just overloaded with really great products. So when you open it up, it's got the card, and my stylist is Marina, and she's got some kisses on there, and then she put some suckers. So cute, and their customer service is totally awesome. And it's got the "We love our subscribers." And I will leave, again, the link to their website, so if this is something that you're interested in, go for it. And then this is everything that's in the box, so I'm not going to peek. It is a monthly subscription. If you pay, I think it's like 3 months ahead, they give you a $5 discount. So the longer you keep the subscription, the cheaper it gets. If you're just getting it one time, it's like $35. And then I think I paid $30. But when you see what's in here, $30 is a drop in the bucket. So the first thing I see in here is a hat. And it says "out of office," and with the summer and with the heat the way it is, you can never have too many hats. As you can see, my hair is just blowing around. So how cute is this? Might not be so cute on me, but it's adorable and it's perfect. So I'm going to wear my out of the office hat throughout this video. I do have my daughter and son-in-law from Chicago that are staying with me. So I'm sure when she sees this hat, she's just gonna kind of give me a look. Then the next thing that's in the box, it comes all, I don't know if you can see it, but it comes all packaged and really, really nice. And this is everything that's in the box. I don't know what the other one was. I'll have to look at it. I just hate to peek. I like to be surprised. Okay. Oh, it must be like 4th of July time. Look at these socks. And I will be in Washington. It does get a little cooler there. So, love the socks. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. The next thing in here, and since I didn't mention it, when you sign up for this box, you go and you do a profile. So if you don't like accessories, if you don't like handbags, if you don't like jewelry, if you don't like belts, or if you do love and what your favorite colors are. So not everybody gets the same box because it is customized to you. So the next thing in here is Luxury Divas. Is it a scarf? Oh, it is a scarf. think it's a scarf. It's a very sheer scarf. And I'm sure it's going to show me ways that I can wear my scarf. It's a little too hot for the scarf right now. The next thing in the box, it looks like a bracelet. Oh, and it's got a pineapple on it. Let me open this. It's so cute. And I think my daughter might actually like this. Let's see. Sorry, guys. It is the cutest little thing. It's 2 bracelets. It's got stars and the pineapple. Let's see if I can get it focused. Can you see that? So cute. Who does not love this kind of box? The next thing, look at this, is 2 lip glosses. I hope this video is gonna work with the sun and the smoke. I just love filming outside. Not to mention I have a house full in there. And this is a really pretty color. It's like a chocolate. I hope it comes out. And this one, oh, my color, it's like a pink. So, keepers. And, oh, this is, look, this must be, that goes to the scarf. So how cool is that? And it looks like there's one more thing in here. Oh my God, this is like the best summer box. And they don't do the same. So you're not gonna get the same products in any of your boxes. But look at this tote. A perfect Washington beach tote. It's got, you can see. So let's go over, but I can't even talk, everything that was in this outstanding box. I feel like I need a margarita right now. So if anybody is around and would like to make me a margarita pina colada, really not picky. And where's our little list? It was a totally great box. Okay, the value of this box is $136. I paid $30. The hat alone is worth $30. When we were in Mexico and we were looking for hats, they were outrageous. So the golden anchor print beige canvas tote is worth $25. Loving the tote. And the sheer knee length sarong wrap. That's what that black thing was with the, see that? It might be something my daughter could get around her waist. Not sure if I can get around, but cute. And then you must put that little thing. That was $18. The hat, which I'm loving, is $30. The Luxury Diva silver sarong clip is $13. And this is kind of how they show that picture. The L'Oreal Color Rich Lip Gloss, the 2-pack, is $22. That cute little pineapple 3-layer, oh, it's an ankle bracelet. See? What the hell do I know? It's an ankle bracelet. It's $18, and those are fun to wear. And the little novelty socks are $10. So, another great fun box. If you're only going to limit yourself to a couple boxes. I know a lot of people do BoxyCharm and Stitch Fix, and you know, they can only do a couple a month, which is totally fine. But you need to add this box to your little repertoire because you can't go wrong with it. So comment. Let me know what you thought of the box. Let me know, as this is, the price points are great, and this is just so much fun. And there will be a link below with the discount code. So happy vacation, and I will talk to you later.